natin ngayon pa lang, para sa akin, panalo silang lahat.
Wow, that's a nice compliment coming from you, Sir Gabby.
Alright, it's nice to be here with two beautiful women. And I believe that I have some questions to ask tonight.
That is right. I'll be giving the floor to you when it comes to asking the question to our top 5 finalists. Sir
Yes.
Gabby, I know that you are known to give kiligs to the women, but tonight I think you'll be giving them the fright of their lifetime because this is the final question. So please go easy on our candidates.
Well, one thing is for sure, I don't know what the questions are. I know I have a list to read, so ready na ba kayo? Are you ready?
I was born ready. Born ready. But Sir Gabby, please give me this moment. I just have to compliment Binibini number 2 because if you guys don't know that she actually kind of looks like our Miss Universe who just forgot the year, Miss Janine Tugonon. So I love the beauty that you have here. Very modern and very Filipina. Sir Gabby, for the mechanics and Binibini number 2, I'll be walking you through the mechanics. So Sir Gabby will be asking the question to you twice, and there is no time limit. And please be comfortable. You may speak in Filipino, in English, or in Bisaya. But of course, to give the chance to the judges and to our live viewers to understand, please do so in a language that everybody or most can understand. Sir Gabby, please take the floor.
Okay. Beginning number 2, contestant. The first question. Ano?
Is it?
How many questions? Kaya ba? Hindi. Hindi pa yung kasama sa question. Okay. Okay, the municipality of Kapatagan, Lanao del Norte celebrates the 75th Charter Day Diamond Year. Are you ready? Ito, nababasa mo naman. What can you do to help our municipality shine like diamond, not only to the province of Lanao del Norte, but also to the rest of the world? Would you like me to read again, or did you read it already? Are you okay to answer that question?
Okay.
Okay. Take
So,
your time.
we are celebrating the 75th anniversary of Kapatagan, and that theme is about harvesting excellence and cultivating future. We all know that the municipality of Kapatagan is known for its big rice field, majestic mountain views, and a lot of beautiful tourist spots. Now the question here is, what can I do to help our municipality shine like a diamond, not only to Lanao del Norte, but also to the rest of the world? Ladies and gentlemen, I am in this platform of pageantry where I cannot just empower women as well, but I can also invite other people from different provinces to visit the beautiful municipality of Kapatagan, because we are known to be the second-class municipality, and not just that, but to tell you I am not a Kapatagan myself, but my heart truly belongs to Kapatagan. The first moment that I went here, I definitely fell in love with this municipality. And if I did fell in love, so can other people too. So we won't be, sorry. We, people from Kapatagan, should carry that value where we are becoming bolder and stronger, and that would make us majestic Kapatagan. Thank you. Who made it to the top 5, Sir Gavin?
Are you ready to answer?
Yes, I was
The
born
questions?
ready.
Okay. We're going to have some questions here, and again, our question here. How can you help our municipality shine like a diamond, not only to the province of Lanao del Norte, but also to the rest of the world?
municipality of Kapatagan has already proved its stand as one of the most awarded municipalities of Lanao del Norte. And with that, with our rich biodiversity and of course our natural in coming years, this municipality will shine brighter because of our majestic, diverse tourist spots that that showcase to offer to the visitors. And thank you.
Ating mga bisita? Yes, that's the confirmation we're looking for. Sir Gabby, please take it away.
Okay, yung mga questions ba naririnig mo from the back? Okay, good. So first time mo lang maririnig ko. Nabasahin ko na from the top. Kung gusto mo, nandiyan din siya, but ito, binigay na sa akin sa harap. Basahin mo na rin if you want, okay? The municipality of Kapatagan, Lanao del Norte celebrates its 75th Charter Day, a diamond year. What can you do to help our municipality shine like a diamond, not only to the province of Lanao del Norte, but also to the rest of the world? Ayan. Basahin mo, understand it, you can answer and do your best answer. What can you do to help our municipality shine like a diamond, not only to the province of Lanao del Norte, but also to the rest of the world?
Thank you. I would help our municipality of Kapatagan by using my voice because I believe that Kapatagan is just not a place. It is a home that full of majestic, diverse tourist destination that we attain greater success in our life and by promoting our cultural heritage. We were able to have a community which is clean and green Kapatagan combined to our society. And with this, let us make our majestic Kapatagan competent municipality where progress is being applied and fostered. And together, let us make our Kapatagan harvesting of excellence and cultivating future where people and visitors not just to come here, but also they return. Thank you so much.
I'm doing good.
Okay.
Okay, meeting number 6. Sir Gabby will be reading a question to you. Good luck.
Okay, I have the questions here. You can read it along with me if you want. The municipality of Kapatagan, Lanao del Norte celebrates its 75th Charter Day, our diamond year. What can you do to help our municipality shine like a diamond, not only to the province of Lanao del Norte, but also to the rest of the world?
As a candidate who's fighting for the crown, I think it is better to represent our Kapatagan in the national, not just in the Lanao del Norte or Miss Lanao, but also in the Lanao or in a world stage or international stage. And it's also my pleasure if you're giving me a chance to represent this lovely municipality. And tonight, I would love to say that I stand with all the farmers here in our Kapatagan. For agriculture is the most neglected sector in our society, but the most fast-growing business in our country. And I think that we should work together, hand in hand. And because it is so injustice that the people who put foods in our table doesn't have enough food for themselves. And by doing so, we can have a self-sufficiency and a progressive municipality. All together, one farmer at a time. Thank you and thank you. Infinity. Number 8. Hello to you, number 8. Good evening. How are you feeling? Feeling.
How are you feeling tonight, being the last one to be called?
Very.
You're right. Okay, so let's just get this over with. Are you ready for the question? You're ready to answer? You can take your time, all right? You're the last one. Okay, you can read this along with me if you want. The municipality of Kapatagan, Lanao del Norte celebrates its 75th Charter Day, our diamond year. What can you do our municipality shine like a diamond, not only to the province of Lanao del Norte, but also to the rest of the world.
Born and living here in Kapatagan for almost 90. I've met a lot of people with different attitude and perspective in life. But what